Hello, I'm going to show how to create an AI Bot NPC using a behavior tree service. In part 1, I already created an AI Bot character, an AI Bot controller, an AI Bot behavior tree, and an AI Bot blackboard that's going to be used in part 2. Right click the blackboard, edit, create new key type object. I'm going to name it player. Under key type, select base class actor, save, right click the behavior tree, edit, click new service, close this out. I'm going to rename the service AI Bot Go-To Player. Right click the service, edit, open full blueprint editor, right click, search for event receive activation AI, drag off the exec tune, search for set blackboard value as object, right click, search for get player controller, drag the return value, search for get controls pawn, connect this return value to value, right click the key, promote to variable. I'm going to name it object, make it public, compile, save. Right click the behavior tree, edit. We're going to modify the behavior tree, remove the task, delete. On the move to task, change the blackboard key to player. Under sequence, add service AI Bot Go to Player. Highlight the service, change the object to player. And save. I already added the AI Bot character to the scene. I'm going to press play to test. Now I'm going to run the program of the behavior tree showing